afternoon, everyone. I am Clea Pipiarin, the event chairperson and the treasurer of DCM Society. It is my great honor to welcome you for today's event. I would like also to acknowledge the presence of our active faculty, Mr. Jomar Libre. Actually, that kind of meeting was and also the presence of our pioneering graduates. Na-ask sila ganina pero nag-excuse pa. Masyakol mo niya, mapukan sila. And also to my fellow students, thank you so much for coming, everyone. And because I believe that without your presence, this event won't be possible. So thank you so much for coming. Enjoy the rest of the day and good afternoon.
Thank you, Father. Thank you very much, Miss Treasurer. Okay, vlog kayo sa atong treasurer. Yes.